Hello to my lovely kids. I hope you all are safe at your place. Myself Nidhi ma'am, your UKG teacher. Now let's start our subjects. Maths. This is our 12th lesson and I hope that you have watched my last video and completed the given homework. Do you remember what we did in the previous class? Today we will learn about square shape, backward counting 100 to 51, descending order in our maths notebook. Okay? Now we will do our first topic, that is square shape. Do you know square shape have 4 equal sides? Okay? Square shape का जो होता है 4 equal sides होती हैं, सारी sides equal होती हैं. Okay? See, so many things ma'am kept here. Okay. What is the shape of this cushion? Square shape. Okay. See, 4 sides are equal. Okay. This side same. This side and this side same. All sides are equal. Okay. This is called square shape. What is the shape of clock? Square shape. Very good. What is the shape of this paper? Square shape. And what is the shape of this bowl? See? Square shape. And what is the shape of this biscuit? Yes, very good. Square shape. All sides are equal. है ना? सारी sides equal है. Okay. What is the shape of this album? Square shape. Very good. And what is the shape of this hanky? See? Square shape. And what is the shape of this toy? Square shape. Okay? Now see, what is the shape of bread? Yes, square shape. And what is the shape of carom board? Very good. Square shape. And this is square shape window. Okay? Square shape dice, जिससे आप लूडो खेलते हैं. Okay, dice. Now let's learn more about square shape with Tony the Square.
Hello kids, I am a square. I have 4 sides and all 4 are the same length. Can you see the alphabet cube? What's the shape of its faces? Each face is a square with 4 equal sides. Wow, I can see a gift box here. All of its faces are square in shape, just like me. Wow, here comes a sandwich. What's the shape of this sandwich? You're right, it's a square. I can see a dice coming my way. I know that you all can tell me the shape of its faces. Yes, they are square. We have another big box. Well, let's see what shape it is. I guess it's a square. Yes, it's a square with all 4 sides of the same length. Oh, here comes our friend the clock. What shape is it? It's a perfect square. Oops, the clock tells me it's time to move on. See you later.
I hope that you understood square shape. Okay? Now all of you children, once again we will revise back counting 50 to 1. Okay? What is the meaning of back counting? हम आपको बैक काउंटिंग करते थे ना ऐसे 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is your back counting. And 50 to 1 means कि आपको यहाँ से 5 से start करना है. Okay, now tell me which number come before 5? 4. Okay. So you write here 4, 4, 4 and start back counting 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's very easy. Okay. Speak loudly and repeat after me. Okay. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Okay. Now 41 and 40. Now tell me, before 4 which number? 3. So you write here 3 and then back counting 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Okay. Cross. Now 30, 30. Now tell me, before 3 which number? 2. तो ये अब 2 की लाइन स्टार्ट होगी हमारी. ओके. यहाँ पे देखो 2, 2, 2 और यहाँ आपकी बैक काउंटिंग लग जाएगी 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. बैक काउंटिंग इज वेरी इजी. ओके. बट आपको याद रखना है कि जैसे यहाँ पे 30, 30 आ गया तो फटाफट से आप रिमाइंड करो कि आपको बिफोर 3 क्या आता है? 2. आप ये 2 लगा दोगे और यहाँ पे बैक काउंटिंग कर देंगे 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Now put cross and leave this line. 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over. Easy enough? Now we will do back counting 100 to 51. Okay. Same you have to follow this thing. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Okay. Put cross, leave this line. 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Now next 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. Now next 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. Okay children, this one is our back counting 100 to 51. Now please take out your maths notebook and pencil. We will do backward counting 100 to 51 in our maths notebook. Okay. Now let's start our work in maths notebook. First write down 12 lesson C.W classwork, and heading is backward counting 100 to 51. Okay, leave this line. Now start from here. 100, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. For checking, please do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this line is correct. Now put cross. 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Now again put cross. Right here 80. Next 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. Again check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This line is also correct. Now 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Again put cross and again check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now next 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. Our classwork is done. Same this work you have to do as a homework. Okay, first you write down here 12th lesson H.W. H for home, W means work, homework. Okay, now write down a heading again. Backward counting, heading 100 to 51. एंड रिमेंबर मैम ने आपको बताया था कोई भी जना लेटर को ऐसे नहीं लिखेगा कि वन लॉन्ग जीरो शॉर्ट एंड अगेन वन लॉन्ग. दिस इज रॉन्ग. सारे लेटर्स आपके इक्वल होने चाहिए एकदम लाइक दिस. ओके, एंड टच द लाइन ऑल्सो. ओके, डू होमवर्क प्रॉपरली. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ अवर लास्ट टॉपिक इज descending order. Do you remember in previous class we have done ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. First हम small number लिखते हैं, then उससे big, then उससे big. Okay, but in descending order we will do big to small. Means you have to find out first big number and you have to write big number in first box. Okay, सबसे पहले आपको big number ढूंढ के यहाँ पे लिखना है. मतलब डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम सबसे पहले बिग नंबर फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. नाउ लुक हियर. 43, 76, 89, 100, 21. Now tell me which one is the biggest number? 43, 76, 89, 100 और 21. मीन्स सबसे ज्यादा बॉल्स किसके पास है? आपके फ्रेंड के पास 43 है, एक फ्रेंड के पास 76 है, एक फ्रेंड के पास 89 है और आपके पास 100 है और आपके वन फ्रेंड के पास 21 है। तो किसके पास सबसे ज्यादा बॉल्स हैं? यस, 100. तो फर्स्ट यू राइट 100 here. Okay? Again I am saying descending order means फर्स्ट आपको बिग नंबर लिखना है। सबसे पहले आप फाइंड आउट करो बिग नंबर। ओके, फर्स्ट यू राइट बिग नंबर हियर। ओके, नाउ 100. ओके, नाउ 100 इज डन ऑलरेडी। अब आपको फाइंड आउट इन फ्रॉम दीज नंबर्स। ओके, 43, 76, 89, 21. Which one is biggest number? Yes, 89. Write down here 89. Now 43, 76 and 21. Which one is biggest number? Yes, 76. Very good. Now 43 and 21. Which one is biggest? Yes, 43. And last number is 21. Most smallest number is 21. Our this line is finished. Okay. Now B. Next line. 36, 53, 10, 28, 78. Which is the biggest number? Find out. Yes, 78. Write down here 78. Now 36, 53, 10, 28. Which one is the biggest among these numbers? Yes, 53. Very good. Now 36, 10 and 28. Which one is the biggest? Correct, 36. Very good. आप तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो. Very nice. 10 and 20, 10 and 28. Which one is the biggest? 28. And smallest number is 10. Now find out biggest number in this line. 45, 63, 38, 50, 50 and 4. Which one is the biggest? Yes, 63. So first you write 63 because we are doing descending order. Descending order में सबसे big number you have to write first. Okay, बार बार मैम ये बात बोल रही है आपको. Okay, don't be confused. Now 45, 38, 50 and 4. Which one is biggest among these numbers? Very good. 50. Now 45, 38 and 4. Which one is biggest? 45. Excellent. Now 38 and 4. Which one is biggest? 38. Very nice. And last number is 4. 4 is smallest number, okay, among these numbers, okay. Now D. 8, 14, 32, 61, 88. Which one is biggest number among these numbers? Yes, 88. Now 8, 14, 32, 61. जिस पे टिक लग गया है we will not see that number. Okay, आपको अब इनमें से numbers find out करने हैं. 8, 14, 32, 61. Which one? Yes, 61. Put tick and write here 61. 8, 14 and 32. Yes, 32. Now 8 and 14. Which one is bigger number? 14. Very good. And last smallest number is 8. Okay. Now all of you, please take out your maths notebook and pencil. We will do descending order in our maths notebook. Okay. Now let us start our work in maths notebook. Okay. First you write 12th lesson classwork and heading is descending order. Okay. Now find out which is the biggest number in this line. 43, 76, 89, 100, 21. Which one? Yes, 100. Now see children, if you have a color pencil, please use color pencil. Okay, I am using color pencil. If you have no color pencil, use your normal pencil. Okay, I am using color pencil. 100. Now leave one box and put tick. 43, 76, 89, 21. Tell me which is the biggest number among these numbers? 89. Now 43, 76, 21. Tell me. Yes, 76. 43, 21. Which is the bigger number? 43. Very good. And last number is 21. Now B. 36, 53, 10, 28, 78. Which one is bigger number? Yes, 78. Now 36, 53, 10, 28. 53. 36, 10, 28. Which one is the biggest? 36. 10 and 28. Which one is a bigger number? 28. And last number is 10. Now next one. 45, 63, 38, 54. Which one? 63. Very good. 45, 38, 54. Which one? 45, 38, 50 and 4 में से find out करो. Yes, 50. 45, 38 and 4. Which one is biggest? Yes, 45. 38 and 4. 38. Very good. And last number is 4. Okay. Now, last. 8, 14, 32, 61, 88. Find out the biggest number. 88. 8, 14, 32, 61. Well done. 61. 8, 14 and 32. Find out in these numbers. Which one is biggest number? 32. Very good. And 8 and 14. Which one is the biggest? Very good. 14. And last smallest number is 8. Okay. Just like I am doing classwork, so will you. Please do it properly. Okay, children. Now I am giving you a homework. Please do it neatly and properly. Now I am giving you a homework. Please do it properly. Okay, children? Children, please do your classwork and homework properly in your maths notebook. Okay? Promise करो मैम से आप नोटबुक को डर्टी नहीं करोगे. No extra work should be done in the maths notebook. Okay? जो मैम ने आपको क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क कराया है बस आप वही करेंगे उसके अंदर. Okay? And parents, kindly make sure that your ward do classwork and homework properly in the maths notebook. I hope that you understood all the topics today which we have done in this class. I also request you to complete your homework and classwork. Thanks for watching this educational video. Goodbye. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay safe.